Okay, are we going to take another video clip? Hello? Hi. Hello, did you just have some sweet potatoes? Your hair's a mess. Caleb has bedhead. What are you doing? You want to have your sweet potatoes, Missy? Boring. You're boring. Boring. Someone do something. No? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? And what are you doing? Huh? Boring. This is not an exciting video. Someone's teasing. Hello! What have you been saying? Dada? Have you been saying Dada? Caleb? A Dada? Caleb? Have you been saying Dada? Of course, you've been saying it all day. Now you're not going to play it? Hey, Busy Bee. Oh, gosh. You had such a tough day. Did you have a tough day? Did you have a tough day? Don't hit me. What about you? You busy day? What? You guys are funny. Alright, that's it. We're going to have sweet potatoes and go for a walk again.